All right, so now we are going to create migration of all these entities that we created. So to do that, you just type php bin/console, then you use make migration. So just hit enter. Yes, so this is how we created migration. All right, so this is it inside migration folder. So go to migration. This is the migration. You double click on it. You can see all the commands that we needed to create all the migrations. All right, so that's all we need. Next is we need to now use the migration. Therefore, we can be able to run the command which is going to create the tables in our database. So to do that, you use php bin console. So this is Doctrine Migrations migrate. So this is the command, and also the command is suggested here for you. So you just copy it from there, then this is where we want to run it. All right, so you just hit enter. So it want to confirm from you that either you want to make this migration. So the name of our database is already shop-is, which is created before using the doctrine. So the default is yes. You can still type yes, enter. Yes, so the migration is created successfully. You can see successfully migrated to version. Then we have all the migration. So for you to do that, let's try to confirm that the migration is done successfully. So this is our database. So we can reload the database. Yes, you can see we have all our tables created. There is users, we have product, we have order, we have category, then we have cart history. So all these tables are created. All right, so later on we can be able to create few more, but for now these are good for us to work with. So that's all about this lecture. See you in the next lecture.